Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to attach an exhaust tip onto a car's exhaust. So this was about 10 bucks off eBay. It's fairly generic. There we go. Open that up and then you get this cardboard thing. What's this? It's like a eBay thank you thing. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap, which is good. Alright. So this isn't for performance or anything, it's just making it look better. So it's got these three fitment screw-in thingos here, which you tighten onto the car's exhaust pipe and then that makes it stay on. So we'll see how this works out. For only 10 bucks, this seems like a pretty good deal. So before you install this onto your car's exhaust, you're going to need to unscrew these bolts here to loosen it. So there we go. So down here, as you can see, it doesn't really look that great. So we're going to improve that with the exhaust tip. So you're going to have to lift up these two bits here and put it in like that. And then you've got to tighten it. And if your exhaust pipe is a little too long, like mine, you may need to hacksaw the end. So this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. So as we can see, it's creating a deeper tone to the exhaust, and that is how you install an exhaust tip.